23rd, 2020, and I'm at Readville Station. Our first train of the day is Keolis 2807, which had the Greenbush Grand opening at 40. The next train we saw was Keolis 2709, which had nothing exciting on it. The next train we saw was Keolis 2708, which flew through the station. After that was Amtrak Northeast Regional 135, which was the only regional we saw that today. The next train we saw was Keolis 2766, which was on the Fairmount line. Then we saw Keolis 2809, which actually stopped here very surprisingly, because as you all know, Readville is known for having the Providence Line trains not to stop here, but if you guys didn't know, trains actually do stop here on the weekends as needed to drop off crews for the MBTA yard and nearby equipment storage yard in Readville used by the MBTA. Then our next train was Keolis 2710, which had nothing exciting on it. Then we saw Keolis 2768. I cropped the video a little bit because the original footage wasn't that great, so I cropped it a little bit so you can see the train better. Then we see Keolis 2711 with one of MBTA's 2 MP36s from Front Runner from a few years ago. Then we saw Keolis 2810 with a friendly engineer. Next we see Keolis 2770, which I did get it coming outbound pulling into Readville, which had GP40MC 1119 again, but however, my footage wasn't that great, so I had to crop the footage again, and the footage completely screwed up with the train pulling in. Sorry. We see Keolis 2811, which had F40PH-2C number 1052, the Greenbush Grand Opening Unit again. Then our last train that evening was Keolis 2712, which had the MP36 on 010 on it again.
Up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks.